Well, the United Kingdom has put India on the amber list, which means that fully vaccinated Indians still have to undergo quarantine in the United Kingdom when they do travel to UK. Well, India has said that this is not right, this is discriminatory. After India registered a process, the United Kingdom said that it is recognizing Covishield. But that sort of a recognition doesn't really mean anything for Indians who've taken 2 doses of Covishield. Here's why.
As global travel curbs ease, vaccine passports are in focus. But discriminatory practices bordering on racism are dictating travel policies. The UK readying to open up from October 4th to vaccinated travellers from 60 countries, including Turkey, Pakistan and Maldives. Curiously, fully vaccinated Indians don't qualify. The new UK rule doesn't recognise fully jabbed Indians, forcing them into a mandatory 10-day of quarantine upon arrival with RT-PCR tests on day 2 and day 8. The UK government has defended these new rules as essential for smooth travel.
We wanted to bring a new, simpler, easier to navigate and cheaper system as well. And so we brought this in to the new year at the very least. And the purpose is to make it easier for people to travel without the bureaucracy, without so many tests.
But the discriminatory rules for Indian travellers sparked a major outcry, with External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar raising it with his British counterpart. India's warned of reciprocal action if UK doesn't rethink its discriminatory policy.
The basic issue is that here is a vaccine Covishield, which is a licensed product of a UK company. And therefore, non-recognition of Covishield is a discriminatory policy. And I'm told that certain assurances have been given that this issue would be resolved. But if we don't get satisfaction, we would be within our rights to impose reciprocal measures.
Congress MP Shashi Tharoor pulled out of a Cambridge Union debate and a book launch, calling the new rules offensive. Congress MP Jairam Ramesh said the UK norms smack of racism. After outrage peaked, UK has now clarified, saying that Covishield vaccine is approved. But as bizarre as it sounds, UK has still not exempted Indians from quarantine because of what it calls certification issues. The British High Commission has said that they are engaging with the Government of India to explore how they could expand UK recognition of the vaccine certification to people vaccinated by a relevant public health body in India. While other European nations like Germany and France no longer see India as an elevated COVID risk, travelling Indians don't require quarantine and Covishield vaccine is accepted as proof of vaccination.
And India is also awaiting an emergency use listing approval for Covaxin from the WHO. Currently, talks are on the diplomatic channel as well to make sure that UK reviews its decision for Indian travellers. In New Delhi with Ashwini Helen, this is Milan Sharma reporting for India Today.